Hey everyone, I want to introduce you to Sam. She's a tech-savvy person like a lot of us, always online shopping, gaming, and staying updated on trends. But lately, she's been noticing something odd. Every time she searches for something online, like a pair of sneakers, she keeps seeing ads for it everywhere she goes. Sound familiar? At first, Sam didn't think much of it, but when those ads kept popping up, she started wondering, who's tracking her? And why does it feel like she's lost control of her own privacy? So, let me explain what's going on. Right now, we're living in the era of Web 2.0. Every time we browse, search, or click on something, websites collect that data. They store it, sometimes sell it, and advertisers use it to target us with super specific ads. That's the internet we're used to. But it's also an internet where it feels like we've lost control over our data. To see how we got here, let's go back a bit. In the 90s, we had Web 1.0, a kind of read-only internet. You could look things up, but there wasn't much interaction. Then, along came Web 2.0. This era introduced things like social media, comments, and likes, making the internet more interactive. But it also introduced data tracking, and that's where things got complicated. Now, the internet is changing again with something called Web 3.0, and this is where things get exciting. Web 3.0 is all about giving control back to the users. Instead of having our data owned by big companies, Web 3.0 lets us keep more control, thanks to technologies like blockchain and decentralization. So, what exactly makes Web 3.0 different? There are 4 big things you need to know. First is decentralization. With Web 3, data isn't stored on one company's server. Instead, it's spread across a network of computers, thanks to blockchain technology. This makes it harder for any single company to control or misuse our data. Second is trustless and permissionless. Web 3 allows us to interact directly with services and data without a middleman. No more needing to rely on big companies or giving up control just to use the internet. Artificial intelligence is third. Web 3's AI is much smarter. It can understand what you're looking for in a more human-like way. This means you can get relevant info without being constantly tracked. And fourth is Internet of Things, IoT. Web 3 also connects tons of devices beyond just our phones and computers. From smart fridges to wearables, Web 3.0 will bring the internet to more places in our lives. Alright, let's talk about what Web 3.0 means for us in the real world. Beyond privacy, Web 3.0 is creating brand new experiences online. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are built on blockchain, the backbone of Web 3.0. This lets people exchange money without needing banks or governments. And it's not just about currency. Through something called DeFi or decentralized finance, people can lend, borrow, and trade without a traditional bank. Then we have NFTs or non-fungible tokens. These are unique digital assets stored on the blockchain, like art, music, collectibles, and even virtual land. They give creators a whole new way to share and sell their work directly to fans. Gaming. Web 3.0 is even changing gaming. In blockchain-based games, players can own in-game items like characters, weapons, or skins. These items hold real-world value and can be traded or sold outside of the game. Games like Axie Infinity are already making this a reality. So, what does all this mean for everyday users like Sam, and for us? With Web 3, she could play games and truly own her items, use cryptocurrency for online shopping, and browse the internet without worrying about being tracked all the time. It's an internet built with user privacy and control at its core. And Web 3 isn't just an idea, it's already here. From decentralized social media to crypto wallets and NFT platforms, there are already tools and services putting users in control of their data. The future of Web 3.0 holds even more potential. Imagine an internet where you decide what to share and when, or where your gaming items actually hold real value outside of just the game. Web 3 has the power to change how we think about our online lives. So, are you ready for Web 3? What do you think about this shift towards a more open, user-controlled internet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're into learning more about tech, crypto, and the future of the internet, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.